Priyansh Arya and the Punjab Kings up against Rishabh Pant and the Lucknow Super Giants. The Lucknow Super Giants, Rishabh Pant won the toss. No surprise, they decided to bowl first 25 times out of 29.
Priyansh Arya and Prabhsimran Singh has laid a foundation for Connolly, Wadira, the all-rounders, Stoinis.
Marsh and Markram are particularly important, and though they've had some starts,
As he has all season. Priyansh Arya. This is sure how good he can be. It's always an anticlimax, isn't it? The first ball. Straight to slip. Mohammad Shami's breathtaking run in the power play continues.
Prabhsimran, he goes without scoring. It's 3 for 1.
And first boundary two into the pads. The one ball that he strayed. Priyansh. Shot into his hitting arc. Oh, was in the air. And this time wouldn't have needed a replay. We might need one on this though. I think the batter's home. Shami again. Straight up, but it'll clear the field. Fine enough for 4. OH. Big in the air and long and wide and past the fielder.
Waited for it. Base off of the last ball. Gets it away, Priyansh. Now 2 fielders are deep on the leg side, but it's the short side. Outstanding. He is so good, Priyansh Arya. Badoni. Top shot. That might just be the shot that'll make him feel good. Connolly's had a bit of a break.
Sure. Oh, here we go again.
Connolly launches into that. Yep. Pinged off the bat. Flies over the boundary. Order. They are hemorrhaging boundaries now.
50 of 19 balls only. He's probably searching for a second and he'll find it. But this is a typical Priyansh Arya innings. Powerful, effective. Beautiful. He just knows exactly where the fielders are, and that's an art. What a crop. Onto the longer side, but it doesn't matter. Oh, ho, ho. This time it's Scuba Connolly. Oh, pick the slow one again. 50 comes up for Cooper Connolly. Of 35 balls, striking over 150. Oh, that's a good shot actually. You might think he's just stubbed the Yorker out. 6 more. Clears the fielder. Oh, for a minute I thought he'd gone too far across. He'd gone just enough across to be able to put the ball wherever he wanted the ball to go.
Thank you very much, Markram. Connolly. Keep that count going. 13 sixes in the innings, make it 14 sixes in the innings. The spin. No hiding, no stopping the Punjab Kings. Nothing you can do but just admire. That's a rocket of a shot from Connolly. Lucknow, surely breathe a huge sigh of relief. Well done, Prince Yadav.
87 tonight from just 46.
Flat, hard, chance taken. Mitch Marsh, there was so much riding on that.
We have an umpire review for fair catch. Yes, I can see a clear gap between the shoe and the cushion.
There's confirmation. Both back in the hutch now. How good they were. 187 for 3.
There's another wicket. The Super Giants looking to fight back in this game.
He's gone for 5. Punjab now 193 for 4.
This stage. Very fine. Once again erring. Once again dispatched.
Chahal.
It should be taken. It's quite an easy catch, actually. It's taken.
He goes for 13. Punjab 208 for 5.
Idea that first one might go out of the ground like that. 2 at the back end. Just past the keeper for 4. Oh, so hard! That, I would believe, is the flattest 6 of this year's tournament. The board. Back past. This he connects. One more. And then moves across.
And disappeared.
And he gets a wicket as well.
Shashank for 17 did his job at the back end. 252 for 6.
253. Ends beautifully, magnificently. The call was for 2. Surely they're not going to make it, and they don't. I like the idea though somehow. You went 253 and you're charging for the second. They finished 254. I mean, we've seen extraordinary things, but you'd say 254 is good enough. Prabhsimran went early, but it didn't matter. Because if Prabhsimran don't get you, Priyansh will.
Yeah, an attempt here at rotating them once. They had started really well.
255 from 120 balls at 12.7 and over.
Cup-winning captain next to me, a man who prides himself on the effort he puts into his homework. He will try and explain the Super Giants' thinking.
Well, I think his end theory is a good one.
And he has dismissed Markram and Marshall lot. Maybe that's why. Here's Arshdeep. He's dismissed Aiden Markram 7 times, Arshdeep Singh. That's the only thing I can think of. Marsh picked up, dispatched, second tier. Went for it, Badoni. Found the gap. Outfield does the rest. Shot, Mitch. Oh, it just kept picking up pace. That's how good this surface is. Badoni with a beauty. Throws his hands at it. Fielder was more of a deep point. Beautiful from Marsh, and Arshdeep does well.
Nice. He's doing his job at the top of the order, and he's doing it well, Badoni. And he goes down the wicket. This is a very smart inning. Beautiful.
Play, they've done that.
Taken. Little miscue. Went off the inner half of the bat.
Badoni for 35, 61 for 1 to get yourself in.
Oh, Pant. Nothing wrong with the elbow. Charges down. This is longer, bigger. It was 2 straight, and that was enough for Marsh.
It's pummeled by Pant. Opportunity, the result of superb bowling, sustained pressure.
He's gone for 40.
At him or his side. Pant launches into Yuzi Chahal. It's high. Fielders, careful of the collision. Tag team effort.
Feet check, it's a fair delivery. Just roll it. His feet is clearly touching the cushion when he's in contact with the ball.
comes off. LSG are hoping Pant comes off tonight.
Get into their groove.
Deflection, I think. Yes. Umpire raises the finger. Might have another look at this.
Yes, I can see a clear deflection as the ball passes the bat and a clear spike.
Plays well for 43. 128 for 3.
Clever from Puran. Puran. It is the big side, so the fielder's in business. Just at the last moment, Shashank Singh was not where he wanted to be. No timing, Shreyas Iyer, easy as you like.
Puran goes for 9.
Markram goes big, into space. Make that another 6 for Markram.
4 overs from you. That'll clear the boundary.
We'll pepper that.
I think he intended it to go 180 degrees in the other direction, but he'll take it. Straight up. Is this one going to be taken? No, it goes over. That'll travel to...
By rotating strike.
Straight up. Down. MI. You don't want teams to go off that quickly. Another one up in the air. Oh, the keeper wants it. 2 of them want it. Between them, they put it down. Now the ball in one direction, the bat in another. Another catch. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it!
Markram plays well, finds some form, goes for 42. LSG 199 for 5.
Oh, it's a straight back, and he'll get a run against his name. It's a good over from Marco Jansen. 8 off it. This is a big win. 54 runs. They will look back at the positives, Punjab Kings, of which there are many. Priyansh Arya was one. Connolly was one. Vijay Kumar Vaishak was one. Yuzvendra Chahal was one. And then they will say we will never see again what we saw in the field in the last 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, with one side celebrating and generally going well, going great guns this season.
254, the Punjab Kings are sending a message to the rest of the teams.